Morning guys, I'm Dave Canterbury with Reliance Outfitters in the Pathfinder School. I'm out here doing a little bit of outdoor cooking today, and I wanted to introduce you to a couple products that we're getting ready to add to our line that we have been working on developing for our stainless steel cook system for quite some time. That makes it more manageable and nestable so that you can put things together, mix and match things a little bit to give yourself a small ultralight style cook set all the way up to something for your entire family. Stay with me. Okay, so real quick, let's look at the new products. And the new products are basically a bowl and a plate. And the plate is deep enough that if you wanted to go ultralight, you could actually use this plate with a pot grabber, which we're in the process of getting now. You can actually use that for a skillet if you chose to do so, again, going ultralight. And the way this is designed, the bowls are meant to nest not only inside each other, but also to nest directly inside the small bush pot. And they fit in there pretty well. You can drop your cutting board down in there at the bottom, and you can drop your nesting bowls over top of that. Whatever cutting tools you have that you want to put in there. Other implements can all be stored inside your bush pot. And the plate is meant to nest inside the large bush pot. So you could put the plates inside the large bush pot, put the small bush pot inside that on top of the plates, and then the bowls inside the small bush pot. And you could mix and match that a little bit if you wanted to by carrying just one plate and one bowl inside your bush pot cook bag. And then you'd have a small, lighter weight cook set for one on the trail that would give you the ability to have a skillet if you wanted to, as long as you had the pot grabber attachment as well. A pair of pliers, something like that would work as well. But this ultralight aluminum pot grabber that we've got coming in is going to work really well for that. And it'll store right inside the bush pot as well. So that gives you an ultralight style cook set. And then you can add to that things like the cutting board, things like the ulu, things like spices, cigarette lighters. You can even add your bush pot stove to that and put it underneath, and it will nest underneath everything, and the plate will nest underneath of that just fine. So you've got lots and lots of different ways that you can carry this, if you choose to mix and match things. But this new plate and this new bowl are going to be the key elements to that. And these will be on sale separately, so you can buy them individually to put inside different kits that you already have. And then eventually we'll sell them within different types of kits as well. We'll beef up some of our cook sets that we have to include plates and bowls and things like that. So I wanted to introduce those to you today. The price on these things is like $5.95 and $6.95. So they're not real expensive for stainless steel, and they will add a great deal of versatility to your cook set overall. All right, guys, well, I'm Dave Canterbury with Reliance Outfitters in the Pathfinder School. And I really appreciate you guys joining me down here for just a quick video introducing a couple new products to you in our line. Our Pathfinder stainless steel bowl and stainless steel plate that nest within our different cook systems. I appreciate your views. I appreciate your support. We thank you for everything you do for our sponsors, affiliates, instructors, and friends. And we'll be back with another video as soon as we can. Thanks, guys.